how to create a GoDaddy e-commerce site. You want to log into your GoDaddy account, then click on websites here at the top, and you want to select online store. Once you do this, click on start for free. From here, we can start a new site, and it's going to ask us what features we would like. Say with online store, book appointments online, and we will click on continue. Search for the category of your store. We are going to do SEO, and let's do some garage doors and openers for this. Click on continue. What will be the name of your project? Let's set a name for our store, NetHelp Commerce, and click on continue. Okay, so here it's going to ask you for your phone number, and we're going to click on continue here. We don't want to provide our information, and you can use AI to set up your store, but we're going to skip this step. Now this is going to build up our website, so let's just give it some time here. And once this is done, it's going to generate the website for us directly here. Now it's going to give you some options, such as what sections you want on your website. You can toggle all of these and continue to your site. And this is what our website is going to look like for now. From here, you can add or change different sections. So for example, you can change the text, you can move around buttons as well. And you will customize this store to your liking. And that's basically how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.